Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take Log. So today I'm going to show you how to download Quotex app. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. Now go to the Play Store and here on search bar, search for Quotex app. Once you are done, tap on source icon that is located on keyword. Now on second, you can see Quotex and tap on install button. Once you tap on it, it starts downloading. Wait for a while and it will download successfully on your device. As you can see, now click on open button and use Quotex app. And let me tell you, this is all for Android user. If you are iPhone user, then there is no such Quotex app available on App Store. So in this way, you can download Quotex app on your Android device. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.